It's time for the Blockchain Student Club. Happy to see you all. Okay, basically, I'm Kostas Militsopoulos, the founder and president of the Blockchain Club, IT student like many of you, or like you students of Deree. And I'm here to present the Blockchain Student Club and something that we're trying to build in order to be also in the blockchain and develop on blockchain, learn about blockchain, and anything in between. Okay, how it started? It started basically from the problem that it's like it disappeared. It never appeared to the Deree, to the universities, to the students. So I was thinking how we can be in 2025 and not have blockchain courses, blockchain stuff, crypto, just to learn, just to avoid scams, just for the sake of knowledge. So I took the initiative to make this club in order to connect with peers of same interests, because to be honest, it's very boring to trying to convince someone to learn about a new technology and perceived as a scammer. So it's better to create a community that has the same interest with you in order to learn. And basically it's a cheat code, because I have done it before. I have created a financial market group. Now it has 30K members. And I learned that it's a cheat code for learning. And the cheat code for networking is a pattern that we can use here also in Deree in order to learn, develop, and explore the blockchain space, which is very big now because it's early in adoption. So yeah, without Mr. Vavousis and Mr. Vergopoulos, Blockchain Club wouldn't be here because of the bureaucratic affair department. And without their help, we couldn't be here. And Athens DAO, of course. Athens DAO will help us for creating the DAO in our blockchain club. The main pillars is learning and monthly meetings, two meetings per month about blockchain 101, testnet workshops with people from here also, and mainly networking in order to debate about the blockchain stuff, debate about our knowledge. This is how you can learn more quickly. Like Plato said, 2 heads are better than 1. So if, the more attentive we are, the more we will get out as an output, as a club. But the main thing I want to share with you today is about tech liberty. The DAO we're going to implement in our club, we will try to implement in our club. Basically, what is tech liberty? It will be a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, the Blockchain Student Club, with tokens. We will have 6.7 max supply tokens, million tokens. So these tokens will be used for the reward, like a reward system for the activities of each member. So basically, I will not have power if I'm not active as a member. The decision making will be to the people, will be to the members that have that have more tokens, basically. Through the activities, we will build also a web app about that. Let me say more things about TLG tokens. If you attend meetings or attend activities fair or make a social media or create a project, basically if you contribute to the club, you will get more tokens. So you will not have only decision-making power, but also you will have credibility, and you can also redeem it. If you don't want to you don't care about the club anymore, you can redeem it maybe with a meal from the coffee shop, or we will see how we can make it happen. In charity or an NFT, you can get your money back, let's say, your value back. So basically we built an app where you can connect your wallet and get the tokens for each activity you use. This is a dashboard. In order to input your activity, the dashboard of the mods will approve your activity, and you will get the tokens. Of course, with smart contracts and realms, this will be more automatic from smart contracts, and more meritocratic as well. But we need attendance. This is the main thing. And also, you need to have a Phantom account at this moment, because our web app is pretty superficial right now and only have Phantom accessibility, let's say. So yeah, basically you input your activity, you get the tokens. You input also if it's hard or easy, so we can transfer it, so we can change it. And basically, you get power from what you do. Again, as I said, the reward system will be not only for decision making. Some of you may graduate, may like forget about the club, don't care about the club, don't like the club. So you can get meals, coffee discounts, printing, because printing is not free. You may think that printing here is free, but you pay something cents, which is phenomenal. So yeah, if we will build more stuff. Hopefully Athens DAO will be in next year. We'll have more projects built in this DAO, so we can present. And this is our roadmap, superficially, of course. We will focus on the Blockchain 101 sessions for students that are very, let's say, newcomer in this blockchain trend, to learn more stuff and to participate more. Of course, we will launch the voting and the governance, the voting system and the DAO, the token, and workshops, etc. We'll try to build in this ecosystem and learn by building, learn by mistakes, learn by exploring. And yeah, why this matters? Also, it matters for industry skills. The more you participate, especially if you develop, the more you can propose an offer to the market and your portfolio. And you learn by participating in the governance of DAO. And you join a movement, you join a community, you get to know more people, more students here that have your interests. You don't get to perceive like a scammer, because it's the interest that unites us. And the more innovation comes from the DAO itself. It doesn't come from me. Any member will have the opportunity to have the power and the tokens to make a change, to make something, and to appear here also. Yeah, so basically, this is the Blockchain Student Club. This is how it is created. I think it's something important you could share to your fellows, because it's very early, and we need to participate. We need to make stuff in the blockchain, because tomorrow or in 10 years, we won't have this control over our money, over our economy. You may not understand it now, but Lagarde and the EU control will be much more authoritarian in the future. So blockchain will be a must, and then it will be late. Yeah, no coding is required. All of you are accepted for now, and I hope to see you all in the next meeting. Thank you.
Can I ask a question?
Βεβαίως. Yeah.
What's the incentive for someone to try and accrue more voting power in the club?
What is the incentive?
Yes.
Basically, the tokens. The more tokens you have, the more tokens you get, the more activities you do, the more tokens you gain. So the more tokens you gain, you have in the DAO, in the blockchain, you have more, like your vote matters more. It's basically smart contracts. If you have, let's say, 10,000 TLG tokens, you will get more voting power than me, who am the founder of the Blockchain Student Club, for something like changing the logo of the club or doing something. So yeah, the incentive is pretty clear. It's the token, the reward that you get in order to get power by your activities.
So if, for example, I grind a lot and gain more tokens than you, that you're the president,
Yeah.
founder, am I the president?
Not exactly, because also in DAO you can like establish a constitution, so you basically will have as much power as it is allowed the smart contracts we create. For example, you need to, in order to be the president and act for serious stuff, you will need to have more tokens, more than a threshold, for example. So this is a way to like secure whales, like students who gain many tokens, not to overtake the whole decision making. We can it's basically how we will build the smart contracts. It's the ratio from the vote to the tokens basically in the smart contract.
So the elections are going to happen on chain.
Exactly.
Potentially.
Potentially and hopefully.
And me holding the biggest percentage of the supply because I'm the most active contributor doesn't mean that I'm going to have the succeeding power.
No, you will not have the monopoly. You will not have the monopoly. You will have, though, more power than others, but you will not have the monopoly of decision making. You will. It needs a percentage of the whole members of the 35% of the club in order to push something, push a change. If other members don't want this change, you cannot be the autocratic leader, let's say.